So there are very simple things people can do in their lives. It doesn't have to be complex. They don't have to train for the Olympics to get the benefits of physical activity. Move around during the day, eat real food in modest portions, not smoke, moderate alcohol, and if they do those things, then they're more likely to have a good weight. Studies show that if people do that, over half of cancers can be prevented. 75 to 90% of heart disease is theoretically preventable. Those things sound simple, but studies have also shown only 2 to 5% of people are able to do all 5 of those things. So we need to take baby steps. We need to be kind to ourselves, incorporate those simple things in our lives, and the return on investment in terms of our health and our quality of life is tremendous.